CompTIA A Core 2, Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.10. Given a scenario, install applications according to requirements. Software requirements. Before installing any application, it's important to understand that software doesn't run in isolation. Every application depends on the system it runs on, which means evaluating system requirements is a critical first step. Rather than jumping straight into installation, a better approach is to confirm that the system can properly support the application. This helps avoid performance issues, failed installations, or unexpected behavior after deployment. When reviewing system requirements, you are essentially making sure the hardware and operating system can handle the application. Starting with the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, this determines how quickly tasks can be processed. Applications such as video editing software, virtualization tools, or data analysis platforms often require multi-core processors with higher clock speeds. If the CPU does not meet the requirement, the application may run slowly or fail to function properly. Next is RAM, which plays a major role in how many tasks the system can handle at once. Basic applications may run smoothly with 8 GB of RAM, but more demanding software such as virtual machines or large-scale applications may require 16 GB or more. Insufficient RAM can lead to freezing, slow performance, or crashes. When working with graphic-intensive applications, you also need to consider the difference between a dedicated graphics card and integrated graphics. Dedicated graphics cards have their own processing power and video random access memory, or VRAM, making them ideal for tasks like 3D rendering, gaming, and video editing. Integrated graphics, on the other hand, share system memory and are better suited for basic tasks. If an application requires high graphical performance, relying on integrated graphics may not be sufficient. Storage requirements are another key factor. It's not just about having enough space to install the application itself, but also accounting for updates, temporary files, and the data the application will generate over time. For example, installing a professional video editing application on Windows 11 may only take a few gigabytes initially, but project files and exports can quickly consume much more space. In some environments, applications may also require external hardware tokens for authentication. An external hardware token is a physical device, such as a USB security key or smart card, that must be connected to the system to verify that the user or device is authorized to run the application. These tokens often work by generating or storing secure authentication data that the software checks before allowing access. Without the required token, the application may not launch at all, which is common in secure or enterprise environments where access needs to be tightly controlled. Finally, always consider application to operating system compatibility. Not all applications are designed to run on every version of an operating system. For example, an application designed for Windows 10 may not function properly on Windows 11 without updates or certain compatibility settings enabled. Verifying compatibility helps prevent installation failures and ensures the application runs as expected. Once you've confirmed the system meets the application requirements, the next step is understanding the impact of installing the application. Starting with the device, new applications can consume system resources such as CPU, RAM, and storage. A high-performance application might slow down other processes or reduce overall system responsiveness, especially on lower-end hardware. From a network perspective, some applications rely heavily on internet connectivity. Cloud-based applications, automatic updates, and synchronization features can increase bandwidth usage. This can affect other users on the network, especially in shared environments. Looking at operations, installing new software can introduce additional maintenance requirements. Applications often need updates, patches, and occasional troubleshooting. This can increase the workload for IT support teams and may lead to downtime if not managed properly. Finally, from a business standpoint, new applications can introduce considerations such as licensing costs, training requirements, and compliance concerns. Users may need time to learn the new software, and organizations must ensure that licenses are properly managed and maintained. By taking the time to evaluate both system requirements and potential impact, you can help ensure that applications are installed successfully and perform as expected, without creating new issues for the user or the organization. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.